Now we are going to play act and discipline role. Hey,
My name is Kaniska. I am studying 5th standard in PUP school Usndapatti. I am playing role 1.
I am playing role 2.
I am playing role 3. I am playing role 4. I am playing role 5.
I am playing role 6. Oh, it's 6 o'clock. I want to sleep. Oh, it's 8 o'clock. I have to get ready to school.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, students. How are you?
We are fine, ma'am.
Okay, now I take attendance. Vanishri.
Yes, ma'am.
Purnima.
Yes, ma'am.
Sumitra.
Sumitra didn't come, ma'am.
Aarti.
Yes, ma'am.
Pradap.
Yes, ma'am.
Pavis.
Yes, ma'am. May come in, ma'am.
Why did you come late? It's very late, Sumitra.
My health is not good, ma'am.
Oh, okay. I call your parents.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I woke up late, ma'am.
Your mother told me every day you are watching TV till late night, so you are late for school. Are you saying lies? Sit and sit up. Now I am leaving the class. Sit in your place.
I ate dosa. I ate puri.
Stop your talk. Be quiet, all of you listen, so you can homework. Very good. Super. Aarti is hiding, ma'am. Why are you hiding, Aarti?
I didn't finishing my homework, ma'am.
Why?
I went to my village, ma'am.
2-3 times sit up. It is indisciplined manner. We should not behave like this. We have to behave disciplined manner. We have to wake up early in the morning. We have to finish your homework.
Oh, it's 8. Oh, it's 6 hour class. I have to get ready to. May I come in, ma'am?
Oh, Vanishri, today come you earlier. Very good. Now I am leaving the class. Sit in your place. All of you listen. Purnima, did you finish your homework?
Yes, ma'am. I finished my homework.
Very good. Come one by one and say good habits.
Get up early in the morning. Take bath daily.
Wash your hands. Brush your teeth.
Pray to God.
Do exercise. Brush your teeth.
Get up early in the morning. Take bath daily.
Wash your hands.
Pray to God.
Do exercise. Clap your hands.
This is disciplined manner. We have to behave like this. We should not behave like indisciplined manner. We have to respect teachers and elders. We have to finish our homework.